Hey everyone, today I'll tell you about Taskbar in Windows 10. Let's start with an overview of the taskbar. The taskbar is the long bar that appears at the bottom of your screen by default. It contains the Start menu button on the left, followed by icons of running apps, and the system tray on the right. You can easily switch between open apps, launch new ones, and access system functions like the clock and notifications, all from the taskbar. Now, let's talk about how you can customize the taskbar to your liking. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings to access the taskbar customization options. Here, you can choose to auto-hide the taskbar so it disappears when you're not using it. Or lock it so that it can't be moved or resized accidentally. You can also choose which system icons to display on the taskbar and customize the way taskbar buttons behave. One of the most useful features of the taskbar is the ability to pin your favorite apps to it for quick access. To do this, open the Start menu, find the app you want to pin, right-click on it, and select Pin to Taskbar. You can also unpin apps from the taskbar in the same way. Another handy feature of the taskbar is the search box. You can use it to search for apps, files, settings, and even the web. Simply click on the search box, type in your query, and press Enter. The taskbar also provides access to Task View, which is a feature that allows you to see all your open apps and virtual desktops. Click on the Task View button, which looks like a square icon next to the search box, to open it. Here, you can see all your open apps and switch between virtual desktops if you use them. The taskbar also allows you to add toolbars, which are sets of shortcuts and other useful links. To add a toolbar, right-click on the taskbar, select Toolbars, and choose the toolbar you want to add. You can also create your own custom toolbar by selecting New Toolbar. You can choose to move the taskbar to the left, right, or top of your screen, in addition to the default bottom position. To change its position, go to Settings and search Taskbar. Or you can also right-click on Taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Now look for taskbar location on screen and select left, right, bottom, or whatever you want. I hope this video was informative and you have learned something new about the taskbar. Don't forget to customize the taskbar to your liking and use the various features available on it to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.